قيام الليل أحياة للبدن ونور في البصر وضياء في القلب وقوة في البدن وإن الرجل ليصلي بالليل فيصبح فرحا يجد الفرح في قلبه. He said the night prayer gives life to the body and light to your vision and luminosity to your heart and strength to your limbs, and a person who prays at night will wake up the very next morning feeling so happy, a true happiness that mixes with his soul. Sa'id ibn al-Musayyib from the Tabi'een, one of the students of Umar radiallahu anhu, he said a person who prays at night, Allah Almighty will cast luminosity over his face will become radiant, and therefore people who don't even know him will say, Inni uhibbu hadha ar-rajul, I love that man. Can't hide. If you are sincere worshipping Allah Almighty in the night, Allah Almighty will make your face glow by the day. And Waqi' ibn al-Jarrah, who was the sheikh of Imam al-Shafi'i rahimahullah, when people would see him, they would say, Hada malak, that's an angel. Yeah, that must be an angel. Waqi' ibn al-Jarrah, he used to pray at night. And Muhammad ibn Sirin, when people would see him, they would say, La ilaha illallah. They would say, Subhanallah, because of the radiance in his face. And Muhammad ibn Sirin used to pray. In fact, Imam ibn al-Qayyim, he speaks of certain women who used to pray at night so diligently. They would never miss their night prayer. And when she would be asked, how come you're praying so much at night? She would say, because the night prayer beautifies the face, and I would like a beautiful face. The night prayer even has cosmetic benefits. Now, although this is not the main intention, the intention of a believer, but these are side benefits that will come whether we like it or not. Allah will publicize an honorable believer who prays at night. These were the words of Thabit al-Bunani, describing his relationship with the night prayer. I forced myself to pray at night for 20 years, and then I enjoyed the night prayer for the remaining 20 years.